Can you get active noise cancelling headphones on a budget? Well, today we're going to be taking a look at the Dodocool DA158 noise cancelling headphones to answer that question with, well, yes. First off, a very quick look at what you get. Now, you first off get the headphones themselves, but you also get a really nice hard shell carrying case. Now, this has all of the accessories that you can need with the actual headphones themselves, and everything fits in really well, as you can see here. So the first thing that you have is a micro USB cable to actually charge the headphones, so you can use that noise cancelling or Bluetooth. You've got a 3.5 adapter if you don't want to use the Bluetooth functionality. You've also then got a warranty card, and then lastly a manual. The fit of the headphones is also really nice. You've got an adjustable headband as well, and you've got some really nice cushioning on the top headband and also the ear cups themselves, so if you want to wear them all day, you're not going to have any issues. The headphones themselves are really well built. They feel like metal, but they are actually plastic. You've got a volume up and down and skip track, and you've also got a multi-function button here on the side with some very subtle branding on the side there. Now, one thing that I do also like as well is there's nothing at all on the left hand ear cup. Everything is on the right hand side, including the micro USB to charge it, the microphone, and also the 3.5 adapter. You've then also got the button on the front here which does the noise cancelling, so once it's turned on you do get a very subtle blue light to let you know that it's active. They are also quite flexible, but they don't feel flimsy at all, and you can also fold them up if you want to transport them and carry them around really easy in your bag or with the included travel case. One thing that I really also like is the way that the headphones themselves actually adjust using this bit here with the exposed coil wire. Now, a lot of the time you would expect headphones to adjust here on the actual headband, but they actually adjust on this rail system, as you can see on the side here. Now, this is really awesome because it allows you to adjust the headphones without really changing the size or look and feel of the headphones really too much in general. You can also adjust each one individually to get that perfect fit as well, and I just really like the design. They look very retro but also have that really modern feel about them as well. Now, I've used these headphones for around a week and I have to say that they are extremely nice. I've used them in a variety of different situations, from playing games, listening to music, podcasts, and also watching a movie here or there as well, just to give them a real test. Now, the noise cancelling isn't necessarily the best out there, but it does a really good job at blocking out some of that background noise, whether you're on a commute or there's just people talking in the room. They've also got some really nice sound clarity around them as well. Now, they're not necessarily the most bassy headphones out there, but for me, I would rather take clarity over bass. There is still some bass there, but it's not something like you're going to find on Beats headphones, for example. It's a really nice middle ground of being really clear, but also hearing everything that you need to. But how do they compare with headphones that are 3, 4, or 5 times the price? Well, for me, they're a really awesome option when you take into consideration the price. Now, I'm going to have these headphones linked in the description down below, so if you guys want to pick some up for yourself, then use my link in the description and you're going to be able to get a really awesome pair of headphones for what I consider to be a really budget price when you take into account all of the features that you're going to be getting. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments about these headphones, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at @CopperVsGlass. For more great content moving forward, don't forget to subscribe, and once you've done that, also turn on notifications so that you're notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from CopperVsGlass. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.